Jersey, northern Bucks County in southeast Pennsylvania, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:20 p.m. northern New Jersey. This includes the city of Somerville, Hunterdon County in northwest New Jersey, northern Bucks County in southeast Pennsylvania, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:20 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated line of severe in Pennsylvania and moving east at 50 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Springtown and Pleasant Valley around 6:25 p.m. Ferndale and Regelsville around 6:30 p.m. Pipersville, Ottsville, Bedminster and Revere around 6:35 p.m. Gardenville and Byram around 6:40 p.m. Doppler radar has indicated some rotation within the storm. While not immediately likely, a tornado may still develop. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or a small interior room. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Thursday evening for New Jersey and eastern Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been in eastern Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:40 Morris and Somerset counties in New Jersey, Hunterdon, Morris and Somerset, and Bucks County, Pennsylvania. Severe thunderstorm watch